Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to implement the action button for notification, push notification and run on the simulator. We already published the how to run the push notification on simulator video. If you didn't watch the video, I am giving on the I button. You can check it on there. Before we dive into the tutorial, subscribe my channel for more videos. Let's dive into the tutorial. Here we already implemented the action push notification using the user access permission as well as a did receive and as well as a will present notification delegates everything. So we are going to implement the notification action and we are going to set the categories and we have to register the category. Then we have to implement the APNS file. The notification will be come like already showing on the simulator like this. So I am going to implement the function that is nothing but a creating category is nothing but a I am setting like a notification category. Then I am calling on when the user access permission was approved and the delegate when we set for the user notification center. After that we call the notification category. Here we have to create the action button. Now I am creating the snooze button is nothing but a UN notification action and we are set some initial params like identifier is nothing but the we have to mention the identifier which button we are clicking like that, so that I am setting the snooze as identifier and setting the title as a snooze and the option is nothing but we can set as the identifier is init raw is 0, that's enough. After that, this is a second step, we are going to create the category like a notification category and set and registering the UN action UN notification action button to there. So creating the snooze action, snooze category, and we are creating the notification category by initting with the identifier like the category identifier is nothing but we are setting the snooze underscore category. Then we are registering the action, that's nothing but we already have created the snooze action and setting on the array. Here's no need and also hidden preview no, and also we can set the custom dismiss action for that. That's all. This is the second step we completed. Now the third step is we have to register the category to the UN notification center. So I am creating the UN notification center dot current dot set notification category array of now the snooze category I am passing here. That's all. Likewise we are created the action and then category and then registering. Likewise we implemented successfully. Now we are going to implement the APNS file and we can run on the simulator. Now I am going to get the sample file. We already implemented this on the previous video. Now I am taking the copy of the file and we set it as or else we can change it from here. Now we can run we can set the category from here and setting the identifier is nothing but the snooze category identifier from here. So we are setting the content UN notification content, we are registering the category from here like a snooze category, that's enough. And I am closing the APNS file. Then I am creating the terminal command. So before that we run the project. Once we done, we can be call the push notification on simulator likewise xcode run space sim control space push. Likewise we already created the, and then we can set the simulator identifier and bundle ID itself. Then we are setting the sample APNS file. When we tap on the terminal, we can get the snooze button. When we tap on the snooze button, we didn't do any action to handle that, so that I am going to handle the how to handle the button click action for that. So now I am going to retrieve function and go to the creating the switch case to the response dot action identifier is nothing but here we are going to set the button action identifier. So setting like this and printing the snooze button was tapped. Likewise I created. Now I am again running the project. Oh, setting the break, that's enough. Now I am running the project, the build is succeeded. Now by the terminal I am running the command, and I am, when the tap the snooze button, the log was printing successfully. Once again I am doing that same thing. Likewise we can be implement the action button for the push notification. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.